My name is James Ho. I come from a company called Ampix Innovation. I signed up for this course because I do 3D printing as a hobby. I find this course interesting because I get to learn new software and share perspective. I recommend this course to anyone who wants to learn 3D printing.
Hi, my name is Aislinn. I signed up for this course because I want to learn about how to use generative AI to create 3D models and then to create 3D physical 3D objects out of them. I find this course interesting because it teaches me all about 3D printing and all the different type of materials, about how to make colored models. And I will recommend this course to my friend, to anybody who is interested in 3D printing and learning how to use it for different applications, whether it's your hobbies or using it in your job.